Hey there! If you're looking to save some cash and earn rewards, then stick around because I've got an honest review of the Discover card, coming right up. Also, don't forget to click the link in the description below for a special offer. Alright, so let's dive into the world of Discover card, shall we? First off, Discover is like that friend who always knows where to find a good deal. You know the one, right? They've got your back with 0 annual fees. That's right, 0. So you're already winning, and we haven't even started yet. Next up, let's talk rewards. Discover Card offers 5% cash back on rotating categories each quarter. Guys, this means 1 month you're getting cash back on groceries, the next month it's gas stations, and the month after, maybe even Amazon. It's like a surprise party for your wallet every few months. And the best part? They match all the cash back you've earned at the end of your first year. Did someone say free money? Now let's address the elephant in the room. Customer service. Discover's customer service is actually, dare I say it, enjoyable. They are 100% US-based and available 24/7. So whether it's 3 a.m. and you're wondering why you bought that inflatable llama, or you just need to check your balance, they've got you covered. And yes, I speak from personal experience. But wait, there's more. The Discover card also gives you access to your FICO credit score for free. So you can keep an eye on your credit health without having to jump through hoops or pay extra. It's like having a personal credit coach in your pocket. However, no card is perfect. Some merchants still don't accept Discover. It's not a huge deal, but it's something to keep in mind. Also, the rotating categories can be a bit of a hassle to keep track of. But hey, if that's the price for amazing rewards, I'm willing to pay it. So to sum it up, the Discover card is great for cashback rewards, no fees, and stellar customer service. If you're someone who doesn't mind a little planning to maximize rewards, this card could be a game changer for you. Don't forget to click the link in the description below to get your special offer and start saving today. Thanks for watching and happy spending. Don't forget to subscribe for more tips and tricks on getting the most out of your credit cards.